Did you know that a simple vegetable could hold the key to improved health and vitality? It might sound surprising, but okra, a staple in many cuisines, offers incredible benefits when consumed as a drink. This isn't about fancy juices or complicated recipes. It's about harnessing the natural power of okra by simply soaking it in water. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of okra water and uncover its potential. Okra water is exactly what it sounds like, water infused with the goodness of okra. This simple yet powerful drink has been gaining popularity for its potential health benefits. Making it is incredibly easy and requires minimal effort. You simply take a few fresh okra pods, slice off the ends, and submerge them in a glass or jar of water. Allow the okra to soak overnight, or for at least 8 hours, to ensure the maximum release of nutrients. During this time, the okra releases its valuable nutrients into the water. The result is a slightly viscous liquid with a mild, earthy flavor, a testament to the potent properties it now holds. Many believe that drinking okra water can support digestion, boost the immune system, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. Okra itself is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts immunity and protects against cellular damage. Okra is also rich in vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Furthermore, it provides a good dose of folate, potassium, and magnesium, all crucial for various bodily functions. Section 4. The health perks of this green goodness. One of the most touted benefits of okra water is its potential to aid weight loss. This green elixir is becoming a popular choice for those looking to shed a few pounds naturally. The soluble fiber in okra absorbs water in the digestive system, creating a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. This means you're less likely to snack between meals, helping you stick to your diet plan. Okra water is also believed to stabilize blood sugar levels, further supporting weight management. By preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar, it helps maintain energy levels throughout the day. Beyond weight loss, okra water is known to promote digestive health. It acts as a natural cleanser for your digestive tract, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Its high fiber content adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. This can be particularly beneficial for those who struggle with irregular bowel movements. Additionally, okra water is said to soothe the digestive tract, potentially alleviating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. Its anti-inflammatory properties can provide relief and improve overall gut health. Section 5. Your journey to better health with okra water. Incorporating okra water into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier you. Okra, also known as lady's finger, is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can boost your overall well-being. Start by drinking a glass of okra water on an empty stomach each morning to maximize its benefits. This practice can help in detoxifying your body, improving digestion, and even aiding in weight management. You can gradually increase your intake as your body adjusts. Begin with a small amount and listen to your body's response. Over time, you may find that you enjoy the taste and the benefits it brings. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the rewards of this natural elixir. Make it a part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or having breakfast. Here's a pro tip. To enhance the flavor of your okra water, try adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a few slices of cucumber. These additions not only improve the taste, but also add their own health benefits. This will not only make it more refreshing, but also provide additional health benefits. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, and cucumber adds a cooling effect, making your drink even more enjoyable. Embrace the simplicity and power of okra water, and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you. With each sip, you're nourishing your body and taking a step towards better health and vitality.